What is up, you guys, and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the best 35mm SLR camera for beginners, the Olympus Om-10. Don't at me, I'm saying it. This is the best camera for beginners if you're trying to get into 35mm photography. This camera is more than its classic good looks. Here are the 6 reasons why I believe the Olympus Om-10 is the best beginner 35mm SLR camera. Aperture Priority. Aperture Priority is key for beginners. It is the assist that you need. This camera does require batteries, but don't let this be a reason for you not to cop it. I'm going back in, just accept it. I'm distracted. Cool. All right, first up, I'll be shooting the 50mm f1.8 lens. Stellar glass lineup. The Zukio lenses are fantastic, and I have a hard time finding any other camera system for beginners that has this kind of quality glass. Viewfinder. The Viewfinder is bright and visibility is key for beginners. They need to know what they're doing and they need to be able to see the different settings change while they're using their Viewfinder. All right, switching out the Zukio 50mm lens for a Zukio 35mm f2.8 lens. Yeah. Price point. The Olympus Om-10 is still under the radar right now. Unlike the Canon AE1 program, you can get this camera on the cheap side without much fuss. So get it now, because who knows in a year from now how much the prices will be. And finally, I'm switching out the 35mm lens for the Zukio 28mm f2.8 lens. Lightweight. One of my favorite things about the OM system is like the cameras are so light. I know, I always harp on how much things weigh, but this system is second to none when it comes to being lightweight as far as SLR cameras really go. It doesn't even feel like a burden to carry. I carry these things all day long. I could toss this, not really throw out my shoulder, but I won't do that. But you get the point. Very lightweight camera system. Streamlined body. These Olympus Om-10s are simple and to the point. No fuss, no distractions. Everything that you see on the camera is of use and it's not overwhelming. So gotta love that. All right, let's recap. All right, you guys, that is my rundown of the Olympus Om-10. If you don't have one, I highly suggest you get one, especially if you're a beginner photographer looking to get into 35mm film photography on an SLR camera. Cop this, you won't regret it, and at me when you do have it, or if you do have this camera, comment below and let other people know how you've enjoyed it. If you learned on this camera, comment below, talk about your experiences. Make sure to check out my video on the Yashica Electro 35 GSM if you're into rangefinders. All right, everybody, peace.